Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking Christmas Special. In the upcoming episodes I'm going to show you how you can easily create a wonderful 4-course menu with a delicious amuse. And today I'm going to show you how to create the amuse. It's going to be a crab salad tartelette with some tarragon and crispy onion. So please subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos, and hit that notification button if you don't want to miss any of the other Christmas special videos. So, let's begin. We're going to begin with the crab salad. First, turn the crab around and cover the legs with a towel. Now insert a chef's knife in the head and press it down so you will kill it immediately. After that, twist off the legs and the claws from the body. Now bring some water to a boil and season it with salt. Then boil the claws for 5 minutes, and after they're boiled, cool them down in ice water. Now boil the legs for 2 minutes and then cool them down as well. The body you can boil for 5 minutes and cool it down as well. Now take the claws and separate them from the carcass. Then twist off the finger and use the back of your knife to break the claw. Now take out the meat and be sure to remove both swords. Then use the back of a spoon to remove the meat from the carcass. After that, take the legs and separate the top from the bottom. Now cut off the closed end. Keep all the trimmings and shells for later. Then take the legs and use a tweezer to press out the meat. Now press the meat with your fingers to be sure that there aren't any small parts of the shell in there. Then transfer it into a bowl and keep it covered with plastic foil in your fridge. Now the crab cream. Take the body and open it up. Then remove the dead man's fingers because those are very bitter. Then chop the body in smaller pieces. After that, scoop the intestines from the shell. Add everything to the trimmings. Then take 2 onions and clean them. Then chop them. Now cut a bulb of garlic in half. Then heat up a big pot and add a splash of oil. Now transfer the crab trimmings into the pot and fry till they start to color. Then add the chopped onion and garlic. Let this caramelize and then deglaze the pot with 200 grams of white wine and 100 grams of Pernod. Let this reduce for 2 minutes and then add 2 liters of water together with 4 sprigs of tarragon. Now let this simmer for 45 minutes. After that, drain the broth and be sure to let it drip for at least half an hour so you don't waste a single drop. Then let it reduce for 90% till it's super thick and flavorful. Now pour it into a bowl and then let it cool down in your fridge. Then transfer 30 grams of egg yolk into a blender together with 2 grams of salt, 10 grams of mustard, 10 grams of lime juice and 30 grams of the crab reduction. Now mix this for 30 seconds and then add 150 grams of neutral oil. Let this emulsify. After that, transfer it into a piping bag and keep it for later in your fridge. Then the tartelette. First, pour 80 grams of flour onto your worktop together with 70 grams of rye flour. Now use the back of your bowl to make a well in the middle. Fill it with 10 grams of sugar, 3 grams of salt, 90 grams of water, 15 grams of egg yolk and 20 grams of olive oil. Now knead this into a nice ball of dough. Then transfer it into a bowl, cover it with plastic foil and let it rest in your fridge for 2 hours. After that, cover your worktop with flour and roll out the dough till it's a thin sheet. Then cut it with a big round cutter. Now grease your tartelette molds on the outside and place the dough rounds on top. Cover them with another mold. Repeat this process and then bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes till golden. Then let them cool down and keep them dry and covered for later. Now for the tarragon gel. Pick enough leaves for 20 grams. Transfer this into a blender and then also add 2 grams of salt, 2 grams of agar powder and 200 grams of water. Now blender this till it's completely smooth and then bring it to a boil in a saucepan for 2 minutes. Then pour it into a bowl and let it directly cool down in your fridge. Now transfer it back into the blender and spin it into a nice and smooth gel. Then put it in a piping bag and keep it in your fridge for later. Now the crispy onion. First clean 1 onion. Then cut it into thin slices on a mandolin. Transfer those slices into a bowl and cover them with a tablespoon of flour and 2 grams of salt. Mix it so the onion slices are completely covered and then fry them at 160 degrees Celsius till they are nice and golden. Now take them out and then season with some more salt. Now take your crab meat and add a good amount of the crab cream. Also add the zest from 1/4 of a lime and some salt. Now mix this and then keep it in your fridge till you need it. Then we can start to finish the amuse. First start with the tartelettes. Then pipe a small layer of the tarragon gel on the bottom and fill the rest with the crab salad. Now take the crab cream and pipe a couple of dots on top. Do this as well with the tarragon gel. Then add the crispy onion and decorate it with some mustard leaves and a white flower petal. Enjoy!
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see the other amazing Christmas videos as well. So Merry Christmas to you all and as always, bon appétit!